looks awesome! Wanna know how we did that? No problem. Check this out. This is our biggest hand-drawn FX Elements pack so far. It is used by thousands of customers around the world, including major game and digital media developers. You can create professional quality results fast and easy. Whatever you desire. Video games, movies, video clips, YouTube videos, Instagram, or what have you. Alright, let's have a look at some of the features. Using our typography pack will help you make your project stand out and will save you a lot of time. Logo reveals, lower thirds, titles, over 60 elements. All you gotta do is click a preset and play with the settings. You don't have to adjust every single component to a new aspect ratio. We've taken care of all technical issues. Just relax and enjoy the process. Transition Pack will make your project look even nicer. Elemental category includes a lot of transitions ranging from fire all the way down to liquid. We have matte-based transitions. Seamless. All of those are very easy to use. Just click a preset and see things happen. You can use transitions separately or match them together whichever way you want. Create like you never created before. FX Elements packs got fire, liquid, energy, electricity, sparks, explosions, smoke, line, comic, backgrounds, and other cool categories. Over 500 super cool elements with very smooth animation that will help you generate almost infinite combinations. Create smashing new work with our FX pack. We also provided a pack of sound effects to make your project more saturated and pronounced. Want more flexibility? We have simple but powerful tools for you. Change the shape of elements by using mesh distortions. Procedural animation tools will give you full control over your workflow. Electricity and lines, simplify and pixelate, light sweep, and other tools. High quality, simplicity, no limits, maximum creativity. Let's have a closer look at the content of the pack.